Beats Solo3 Wireless, hands-on, one-chip magic and bass that hits your soul. Last month, I found my Beats Solo3 buried in a backpack, dead for 6 weeks. Held the button and they turned on with 38% battery. I actually laughed out loud in the airport. Tell me in the comments, what's the longest your wireless headphones have ever gone without seeing a cable?
You're rushing out the door. Phone at 4%. AirPods dead. That sinking panic hits. Now, picture grabbing one pair that's always ready, slips on like a hat, and makes your playlist hit so hard your heartbeat sinks to the kick drum. No stress, just instant, stupidly good sound.
Here's the pair that still embarrasses every new release. Beats Solo3 Wireless. The Apple W1 chip turns pairing into actual magic. Open the case near your iPhone and boom, connected before you even put them on. Class 1 Bluetooth laughs at walls. I've left my phone upstairs and kept walking to the garage with 0 drops. 40 real hours of battery. Yes, I've tested it on long-haul flights and still landed with juice left. Fast fuel is borderline unfair. 5 minutes plugged in while you brush your teeth equals 3 hours of chest-punching bass. The on-ear controls are so intuitive, I answer calls without looking. 2 weeks ago, a DJ friend almost missed a set because his premium ANC cans died mid-warm-up. Tossed in my Solo3, 5-minute charge, played the full gig, crowd lost their minds. That's not hype. That's the kind of reliability that makes you grin when everything else fails. This is the headphone thousands of us refuse to upgrade from, even when shinier models drop. A top audio reviewer told me straight, I keep reaching for the Solo3 on travel days because nothing else has this battery plus range combo. Influencer at Everyday Carry posted his pair at 4+ years old and said, still my daily driver, 0 degradation. One analyst ran a week-long test and wrote, 40 hours is conservative. I hit 43. Real user in our group chat yesterday, my girlfriend stole my Solo3 2 years ago. I just bought another pair instead of fighting. Worried on-ear gets uncomfortable? The cushions are soft enough for 4-hour flights, firm enough they never slip. Think the bass is too much? It's punchy, not muddy, perfect for getting hyped, not fatiguing. See why thousands can't stop talking about these old headphones? Drop your favorite song that hits different on Solo3 below. I'll reply with mine.
Join the ridiculous number of us who stopped caring about battery anxiety forever. The Beats Solo3 Wireless give you W1 magic pairing, Class 1 range that never drops, and 40 hours that actually feel like 40 hours of pure, stupid fun sound. If you're tired of fragile, premium headphones that die when you need them most, grab the pair that just works through the link in the description. Thousands of us live in these daily. Come find out why we never upgrade.